More trouble for Speed Darlington. Country people, welcome to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you also put on your notification bell so e go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The tori when e enter say Speed Darlington for one Instagram live video when e dey do, e come talk how e no go fit work under anybody because of an experience when e get when e deflower a 15-year-old girl. Blood come stain the sheets. E come call the hotel staff make dem come clean up the place, and e get to pay dem 2,000 naira before dem fit do the work. Na that one make am talk say e no go fit work under anybody. That statement when e make so, e bring plenty reactions as Nigerians dey say why e go do that kind of thing. Even the Lagos State Sexual Violence Act team, they don even officially take up the matter. They come say although their limits na within Lagos State, but they go engage NAPTIP, the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, to look the matter from there, to show how the matter serious. They say they no go tolerate such risky behavior from anybody for the country. Na there the tori when e dey enter now say one businessman, na billionaire businessman according to report, when e name na Isaac Fayose, na internet personality too, and na social media crusader. Na also the younger brother of the politician Isaac Fayose, when he be former governor of Ekiti State. Na e don come out come talk say the 15-year-old girl when Speed Darlington allegedly dey involved with for the hotel don come out, and that she go visit police station today with her mother to give a formal statement. Isaac Fayose, e dey talk this one for one video when he post online. He say Darlington, he go face the law for his crime. He come express concern about the situation. He say how we go allow such behavior to go unchecked. He say recently Akpi, na be Speed Darlington, he say he admit on a live broadcast that he dey with a 15-year-old girl when he cause injuries, when he require hotel staff to clean the room. He say this na troubling issue for our country, especially when he make the broadcast on Children's Day. He say where the protection for our children come dey. Fayose come talk say although Akpi go think say na play and na joke matter, the situation be. He say but e go shock am say the young girl e don dey come outside now. He say today, May 29, the young girl and her mama go provide statement to the police. Na there he come warn Akpi. He say you dey at the risk of serious legal consequences. So he say you dey make jokes about the situation, but now e dey catch up with you. He say the authorities dey watch closely. Fayose, when he dey Dubai currently, he say the case e dey attract widespread attention and dem no go fit ignore am again. E come say, Speed Darlington, your time is running out. You should prepare for the consequences. The video na video wey, because of YouTube policy, I no go fit put am here, but na something wey, people don dey make commentary put. People don dey make commentary put. Like some people dey say, how dem come fit take find dat girl within 72 hours? E say these bloggers themselves, they dey look for news to take trend. Even for somebody when e dey Dubai, e don find the girl, say abeg you. Other people come say, okay o, dem dey wait to hear how Speed Darlington take rape the girl. E say una go surprise wetin girls of that age dey do nowadays. E say others dey say Speed Darlington sef, if not be say e dey morally corrupt, allegedly o, na the person opinion o. E say e no go fit keep quiet over some things. E say now e go use im own mouth take destroy himself. Country people. Another person dey say, for law, 15 years no go fit give consent. E say e no matter wetin dem know morally. Another one dey say, if this thing turn out to be true, e say dem make government use Speed Darlington as examples. People dey make different talk about this position. Some dey say, if na people when e matter for society wan reason your matter, e say you no go fit escape am o. After all, na self-confession na Speed Darlington make, and that self-confession, as dem don fit get the 15-year-old girl so, e say the thing go enter court o, and if dem convict and jail Akpi or whatever e dey call himself, e say e get as e be o. This one too now dey show say people go dey careful with the things wey dem dey joke with, more so when you no go dey proud of wetin you don claim to do. For life, no be everything na you go take cash cruise. Now see wetin this one now go cause Speed Darlington.